Hey, how you doing? If you are here, you trying to figure out where in the hell is that brake control, ABS control module on my 2015 and a half and up Volvo S60. Let's go. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Here's where it's located. On the firewall. On the firewall. Alright, so when you open the hood, what you're going to see here is you're going to see a tray here. Your battery's going to be here under some plastic. So you take that, you take the battery out, take the battery tray out, and then you're going to start working. And you got to get this out. This little piece right here is 2 bolts in there. There's 3 bolts on the side right here. 1, 2, 3. I'm trying to go a little quicker. But here's what you're going to see. This is the one I just took out. This is the one that I ordered. By mistake, I ordered 2. So here's the other one that didn't come so well. So we're going to use this as an example. So it will be sitting in your car like so. These are the mounts. Everything is pretty much 10 millimeter or 8 millimeter. Okay. So this is going to be in the down position, locking it in right here for the plug. And then the actual module part from the pump will be on the wall. So it's difficult to take it without taking the pump off. And these are the lines, of course, that they already cut. This is the mount. So you have one here, and then the guide in the back there. And it will sit in there. And you gotta take all the lines off. You're supposed to take the 2 lines from the brake booster off. I didn't do it, and I was able to kind of move the brake lines gently because you don't want to get them bent. You don't want no creases in it. You create another issue. And get them up and off to the side. And I just kind of finagled it this way and pulled it out. So that's with the plug going back towards the firewall. So once I got off the little guide pin in the back, I was able to get it like this and bring it out. I don't even remember the code I was having, but I was having an intermittent ABS issue. And even one time, I was going to take off, and the ABS was engaged and wouldn't even allow me to drive. So what I ended up doing, I just put it in park, put it back in drive, and allowed me to go off, and the ABS went off. But now I'm thinking about it, what I should have done, because what I didn't share is, I also have a tire pressure monitor light on for a bad sensor, and this is all-wheel drive. And that was probably my issue. But I'm this far, I gotta put the shit back in anyway, so we're gonna see. I'm gonna work at getting this in. I don't have much time today, so it might be another day. I might be sweaty in a different t-shirt when y'all see this, so we'll keep y'all informed. Okay, everyone, we are back. We back in. That's the negative cable. We got everything as far as the new brake control module buttoned up. So got it in there, and we're gonna see how this goes. Gotta start putting everything else back together, and hopefully, I'm hopeful here, scratch my problem. Once I locate what the codes were, I know it was intermittent when we went to Alltel. Is Alltel? Yeah, Alltel. It said that it was an issue within the control module, the brake control module failure. That's what was happening, so that's why I ordered it and just did that. Still probably need to do the tire pressure sensor. But to me, that's no big deal. I want to get this in, and then gotta drive it. Let you know. Be back.